Okay, so taking the dash off, as you can see, I drilled out this plate here and here, right there. Had to pop it off with the thing. Took the bolt out, pried the thing. I also cut it up here with the cut-off wheel, which broke, and then I ended up using a Sawzall to cut the rest of that. But there's no problem. This motor, the limit pin off of that motor is off, so this one's definitely bad. I bought 3 doors. I bought this door, and the blend door. So this one's bad for sure. This one, I figured if I'm in here, I might as well change it. So I'm taking this one too. So we'll take the motors off, take the things out, start cutting, and see what it looks like. All right, let's take this one out. Alright, that one out. Looks like the little pin is sheared off there. It's supposed to be right there. On both of these it was sheared off, so definitely neither one of these were working. So now I'm going to cut into it like the HeaterTreater box says, which is around in here and up and around through there and down there. Alright, get to that. Just a note on this tool, it's a drill mill. You can pick them up at any place that sells, bits or whatever. Should plunge right in there and just zip right through this. Okay, well, I got the doors out. I broke them to get them out easier. Looks like, I don't know how the other ones are going to go in yet, but I'll try that in a minute. Kind of a pain cutting all that crap out of there, but no big deal. I'm going to get the shop vac out here in a second. Suck all these cuttings up, and hopefully I can get the other one in there. Alright, so got the other one in there and went right in there. That's enough space cut out apparently. I don't know about the top one yet, but the Mode 2 door is installed. I'll try the Mode 1 door here in a second. Okay, I had to do a little more cutting right up in here to get the door through, but they're in there and they both function as you're supposed to. And let's see if I can't get some more of these chips out of there, and then I'm going to seal it back up. So hooray, we are almost there. Okay, well, I've got the one motor installed and I've taped it back up. I'm going to put that other motor in. What I actually did is I stuck the other motor in, screwed it down because one of the attachment points is here that held this piece in place. Then I taped some of it to hold it, and then took the motor back off and then taped the rest of it so that it's nice and solid covered. So far, so good. Okay, there's both motors attached. Then I'm gonna vacuum this out and then put this back and sort of tap it around and probably see if I can attach it right here through these holes. And that'll be it for this one. I put a bolt through here. I got a little bit of a gap there. I'm guessing it probably is not enough to worry about. This is all sort of plastic stuff anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and work on the blend door over here, and then if I go putting it together and it's way off or something, I'll deal with it. It's pretty stout though. I don't think that's going anywhere. So good to go. Okay, I got the motor out. Just ran my long screwdriver up through here and just took it out. So I got to cut up and along here, down in here, out back over to there, and something like that. I'll do that next. Okay, I've cut a hole in the box, put the new door in, no problem, went right in there. The only thing is, I vacuumed out all the chips and stuff, so I don't see any other issues, so I'm getting ready to put it back together. Okay, there's the box all taped back up. I put the little cotter pin there on the end of that follower shaft right there, and I'm going to stick the motor on. See how it goes. Okay, well, as you can see, all the dust or all the particles that shot out of the top is working. Now if I turn it down to here, haha, look at that, it's blowing in my face. And if I go to the floor, and let's see what happens. Oh, it's still in my face. The floor is up here, I guess. There it goes, blowing out of the floor. All right. We have a winner. Pain in the butt, but there's just a lot of screws really to take all this stuff out. You just take the one screw here and this pops off, and then you got to take this off. There's 6 screws, 2 inside, 2 down here, 2 underneath. I got to put the glove box on yet, no big deal. And then there's a little plastic cowl on either side, and that's it.